In this video, I tell you what the variables are and show you different kinds of variables in Unreal Engine. So what are variables? Okay, so imagine you have a piggy bank. A variable is like a piggy bank where you can put something inside and take it out later. Inside the piggy bank, you can put different things like coins, toys, or marbles. And each piggy bank can have different things inside it. In a game, the computer uses variables to remember different things like your score, how many lives you have left, or where your character is on the screen. And just like how you can add or take marbles from your piggy bank, the computer can also change the things inside the variable as you play the game. By the way, if you haven't heard, I'm posting a video soon where I make Minecraft in Unreal Engine, and I teach you how to do it too. The video is geared toward beginners, and I will hold your hand throughout the entire course. Make sure to subscribe now to not miss it when it comes out. So where were we? Oh right, variables are like piggy banks. When creating a variable in Unreal Engine, you first set its name. It's important to use clear and concise names for variables that indicate its purpose and to avoid confusion. So instead of naming a variable X, name it something that's more descriptive like current level or player health. If you feel like naming the variable isn't descriptive enough, you could provide more details about what your variable does in the tooltip box. Then whenever you hover over the variable, it displays the tooltip box. When you make a variable, its default variable type is set to a Boolean, which means that it could either hold true or false. For example, you could use a Boolean named button pressed to store whether a button is pressed, true, or not, false. There are also other variable types like int, which hold numbers with no decimal places and could be used to keep track of scores or lives, floats, which are numbers that hold decimal places, which could be used for storing speeds or percentages, strings, which hold text and could be used for storing player names. The possibilities are endless depending on the type of information you wish to store. You could make your own variable types by making your own blueprint class. If you want to learn more about the different variable types, I will link to Unreal's documentation about them in the description.